Let's make thumbnail for YouTube. Launch Paint. Manually set the HD resolution and choose the color you like the most. Save the image to the desktop. Next, I will open the video to take a screenshot, but you can just use the photo. After that, we go to the site www.removebg. On this site, you can easily and quickly crop the background. Just upload the image, then you can download it in simple quality for free or in Full HD if you register on the site. Now the most important, launch program Photo Escape X. The program is free. The link to the program will be in the description. Click on Editor and choose our background. Next, click on the light and choose the effect of light that you like most. Now we add a picture that we have already prepared. The size and scale of the image can be changed. Thanks to this function, we can make color more saturated. Now we can add text and change the font and size. Reduce the size of image to fit the text. You can put different colors on the text that you want most. For example, I chose blue. Now just save the file. And voila, we just have it ready. In fact, everything is very simple. You just have to try it. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. We will see you soon, friends. Bye bye.